When the weather changes, you start experiencing that people start suffering from cough and cold. This becomes troublesome for us, and you don't wish to take medicines all the time. So, during weather change, I would advise you to avoid cold things like cold salad, cold water. You should avoid all this. And to increase your immunity, you should have fruits and vegetables which are very rich in vitamin C. Other than this, you should also have vegetable soups and broths and add ginger to it. It will protect your throat and will make sure that you do not have cold in changing weathers.